Mopian Aldo, my name is Robert Kahapon. I am an indigenous forester and storyteller from Quezon, Bukidnon. I co-founded Salumayag Youth Collective for Forest, where I work with my community, especially women and youth, to protect our ancestral land through regenerative practices and narratives. In Pope Francis' encyclical Laudato Si, we are reminded that the earth is our common home, a precious gift entrusted to us by the Creator. He calls us to cultivate a spirit of care for the environment, and care for one another. And as youth, we are at the forefront of this mission. This message also aligns with the teachings from our ancestral wisdom that remind us to look after every living creature with compassion and respect. As young people, we are taught to strive for success. However, sometimes in our rush for progress, we often take more than we need. We often take rather than give back. When we do this, forests are cut down, rivers polluted, and lands exploited. As Laudato Si reminds us, nature is not just a resource, it is life. Every tree in our forest, every wave in our seas, every bird that soars above is a testament to God's generosity. Let us respond with gratitude by protecting and restoring the earth's beauty. Plant native trees, conserve water, and avoid waste. Simple acts ripple into big chains. Thank you, and may God bless our mission to protect our common home. Mopian Aldo.